Okay, so we're live. Welcome to our Pacific Rim US stand-up. Here today with me it's Patrick and Vijaya. So maybe let's start with you, Vijaya.
Yeah. Currently, I'm not doing much of the work. My development is very slow. I'm busy with other things, and I want to check my PR. You commented that one. I already posted. Yeah, I'll connect next week. This week I'm very busy. I want to let you know.
Okay,
Okay.
no problem. So did you do anything? Sorry.
I did
Do you
some
have any
work.
questions?
I have a lot of errors. I will check next week. If
Okay.
PR related thing, if I want to do any updates, I will do it.
Okay, if you need something, just tell us.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, Patrick.
Yeah, Vijay, did you say you're going to be out next week? I didn't catch that.
This week.
Oh, this week. There's this week. Okay.
Yeah. My mom is going to India. I have to busy with the kids as well. They had some work.
Okay. Sounds like a good excuse.
Just give me a second. Give me a second.
So your mom is going to India, and you have to do what?
Yeah, I have to do shopping and
Oh, for her.
yeah,
I see.
yeah. I have some other things also. I have some deadlines I have to finish before this week. Lot of things.
Ah, okay. Busy.
Yeah, yeah. Today also I have doubt. I went to school to drop tennis club. I came early. That's why I attended. Otherwise, I will post the message.
Yep. No problem.
Yeah.
Yep. So for me, I had a pair programming this session this morning with Sigu and Laura on Sigu's story where he's fixing a bug that we have in terms of notification when a job application is rejected. They were in trouble with the cucumber tests, so we fixed that. I've been working on story 428, which is more robust email validation. Trying to get off and on during the day. I've been trying to get the CI test to pass by tweaking things. So still in the process of doing that. We continue to experience flaky CI tests, unfortunately. But I guess we just have to live with that. And that's it for me.
Okay. Cool. Do you have anything? Any issue? Anything? Any blocker?
Nope.
So me today, I just reviewed some things for the sync router. I also have to review some PRs. One of the PRs that I created, it's not working, so I need to review it for the Hangout connection. I also looked through your PR this morning and also Sigu's PR.
Sigu, yeah.
So I just looked through them and it's very simple, his PR. I think I will be able to merge it. And I think that's all from my side. Okay. So any question, anything else that you guys would like?
Yeah, if you guys have time and check my PR, I already put the review after you guys comments. I did not do anything. What is I missed there and
Okay, so you did update the PR. Okay, so I'll try to review it today or tomorrow.
When did you update it, Vijay?
I did not update after Zua's comment and your comment. He told some change some lines up there. I want to discuss before I do any updates on that.
As I said, I think last week that I think the changes you made accommodated my comments, so I'm fine with it. But so
I didn't quite understand. You want to talk about what was written there, or?
Yeah, you both comment on that one. Only the already existing code, the same thing. Based on that, I wrote Patrick suggested do this one. You told change this lines of the code. Some tests I have to do all the tests. the code is okay. I think in development same code is existing. And you told some tests are missing. Again, what tests are missing? Only the change of the lines of the code or anything else?
The only there were missing some tests there, and the only question that was there was the placement of the expectation. Personally, I prefer to have the expectation after the test itself. That's why I really don't like Jasmine, and I think it's like awful syntactically, where you have to first do the spy on, and then only afterwards you can stub whatever you have to stub. It doesn't make any sense. So that's why I just told you that the expect, if it went down, it's more readable.
Okay, only I have to change the lines of the code based on the. Okay, I'll do.
Yeah, so it's just two things. The expect works in both places. I didn't knew that, but I think in terms of readability of the code, it makes more sense that you first do the get and then do, oh, I'm expected to get to
Okay.
return this.
I get that, but my feeling is the opposite. I think it's more readable to say expect this method to be called and then do the operation. So I'm saying before the operation, I expect to see this method called during the operation. There is some RSpec matchers that have a to have been called terminology. So they're explicitly designed to be called after the operation because the text, expect this method to have been called, which makes sense to put that after the operation. But anyway, it works either way. So it's all a matter of preference, I guess.
Yeah.
But the beauty of RSpec, it is readable. So it is interesting to make it even more readable by how you phrase this stuff.
Okay, so.
And one more question I have. I'm working on that company registration. Agency is not found something like that. I'm getting the error in our perspectives, the policies.
Just give me a second. I'm opening Waffle now.
You're implementing Pundit for company registration controller, Vijay? Is that what you
Yeah,
said?
yeah.
It's the
Agency is not
436.
found. I think I'll check. Yeah, 436.
And your question was?
The agency is not found, or no method for the agency like that. I'm getting error on.
Agency?
Yeah.
This is a.
I did the.
So this is. Let me see. So
The policies related files.
enforce authorization for user action on the company's controller. In the company's controller.
In company controller have edit, update, show.
So
We
that's
have
the
to.
registration controller, right?
Yeah.
Does this story involves company and company registration controller or just company?
I think only company's registration, but one controller.
Patrick?
Yeah, both. We are checking the company as the ID.
Which number is it? 436?
Yeah.
Yeah, you're operating the company controller, right? Not company registrations controller?
Yeah, company controller.
Company controller.
It could be a home there,
yeah.
Or do we have something else there? Let me see. Company controller does only have home, and it should be accessible Everybody should be able to access it, except if you're not registered.
I think we should be looking at company's controller, not company controller, right?
I have.
Are you?
Are you talking about company's controller?
Yeah.
Yeah. So it's Yeah, it's written for company's controller.
So do we have it for company as well?
I don't know. I think we do.
Yeah. This is company's control.
Yep, companies. So you have a bunch
Okay,
of
so
actions
there we
there.
have show, destroy, edit, update list, look, and that's it. Okay, so okay.
Undefined method for agency.
Undefined method for agency.
Yeah.
It's better if you show us what your problem is.
This is the.
Okay, so the problem is that company doesn't have a direct association with a company, with an agency. Let me see. Company.
I think it might be that a company can have multiple associations with multiple agencies. Let's look at that.
Yeah, hasn't belongs to many agencies. So agency doesn't exist, but agency should get you a list of agencies that the company is part of.
So what you'd want is just agencies element 0. It'll return an array, a collection to you. Just take the first one, and that's the agency.
The best option there, when you get an error like this, you just enter the console and just get the first company that you have there.
Okay.
And just look what fields you have.
Okay.
But if you go to the module of company, you will see the model. You will see that it has a relationship, and your relationship is called agencies, plural. So you will get an array of agencies that that company is associated with. That way, you just need to. You cannot use the code that you have there. You need to iterate overall the agencies to ensure that the users that list admin are one of them.
Okay.
Okay. Do you have any question?
No, only that one I am.
No? Okay. Anything else?
No, only that one.
Nope.
No? Okay. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Okay? If you need something, just ping me and I'll answer back. Okay?
Okay. Good night.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.